Okay, this is a good example of how nearby objects to an antenna could affect its SWR. So here is my gizmochi, my 2-meter beam that's both horizontal and vertically polarized. I'm doing some testing right now on the horizontal elements and some SWR measurements. So I have a length of feed line and a couple of different lengths because I wanted to make sure that it was non-resonant. So you do that by adding different lengths of coax cable to your VNA to make sure it doesn't change the SWR appreciably, which this one doesn't. It changes a little bit, but I want to show you here. So right now that is due south and this is due east on the property. And so let's see, that is the driven element. So it's pointing southwest. And right now we have SWR. If we look, if we can get a focus here, it's the yellow line on the bottom, and it says 1.4 on the top there. See it right in here, 1.4 to 1. But now, watch what happens when I rotate this. I rotate it a little bit this way. What's it read now? It goes up to 1.2. It goes down to 1.29. Let's see if I can see it in action here. Yeah, there it is in action. See that? What we're looking at here is the marker that's on the yellow line, 1, where it says the SWR 1.3. At frequency is 14652. See that in the upper right hand corner. You can disregard the blue line, that's the return loss. But yeah, here again, so it has to do with proximity. So this is pretty close to the roof here of the patio. And of course there's the big shed, that's going to affect it too. There's some trees. But yeah, I thought this was a great illustration. I wish I had a third hand, but so where are we at? 1.28. Okay, and I'm going to move this guy. Watch that marker. Watch it, watch it, watch it. We are at 1.27 now, so I need to move quite, oh, there, it went really low. 1.18. See it down there? See it there, look at that. See how it's moving? 1.28. 1.22. That's with it pointing northeast. Probably see, because look, there's an open there. There's not much buildings to reflect off of. So the SWR, I think, would naturally be lower. Sorry about the jerky video, but again, I have no other way to illustrate this. So, oh boy, I may have to stop the video. So you kind of got the idea. So where we're back at 1.2. The highest I got it was 1.4. So that's still pretty good. So anyway, that's the lesson for today.